Welcome friends to your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is My Love. In this episode I want to be more creative. As I was walking down the stairs, I found my beautiful cat feeding its kitten. So I was inspired to do an episode on mother. M is for the million things she gives us. O means only that she is growing old. T is for the tears she shed to save us. H is for her heart, purest gold. E is for her eyes, with love light shining. R means right, and right she'll always be. Put them all together, they spell mother. A word that means the world to me. This is in the words of Howard Johnson. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of shells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go singing by, hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother the world over. So in this episode, I just want to tell the viewers that Mother Nature is so beautiful. In her bounty, everything is available. Mother Nature is bountiful. So as I focus all my videos on various different Ayurvedic herbs, I tell my viewers that for every ailment in this world, there is an equal solution in nature. So try to make use of whatever herbs you get in our surroundings. Try to make use of them in our daily food and in our daily activities so that our immunity is boosted and we are immune to all different sicknesses that prevail in this world. Now, as we struggle through in this pandemic period, I tell all my viewers that use different herbs that are available in nature and make your body stronger and stronger. You become immune to all these sicknesses. So I pray that you will have a very healthy period in the future. So thank you for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. So thank you.